told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong.
Jadi ini adalah tempat perkemahannya. Anak-anak pramuka, anak-anak pecinta alam, keluarga, semuanya camping di sini.
Fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same.
Oke teman-teman, jadi kita berkunjung ke kawasan air terjun Dlundung ini pada hari Minggu. Dan pengunjungnya sangat ramai ya, namun tetap tidak mengurangi keindahan kawasan wisata ini.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Oke teman-teman, kita langsung menuju ke air terjunnya. Namun di tengah perjalanan kita akan disuguhi pemandangan-pemandangan yang sangat menarik. Sungai-sungai yang bersih, udara yang sejuk, dan tentunya spot-spot selfie yang menarik. Nah, di dalam perjalanan menuju air terjun, kita akan melewati jalan yang cukup sempit, sekitar 1 meter saja. Cukup untuk 2 orang untuk bergandengan. Namun, ya karena pengunjungnya padat, kita cukup mengantri ya. Bisa kalian lihat sendiri. Tapi jangan khawatir, kanan kiri pemandangannya super bagus.
Fade away.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. All will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
masuk Taman Kelinci 5.000. Ya, free wifi di sini guys. Boleh oleh-oleh. Di sini aja bosku.
Destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more.
Yang mana?
I've seen a lot of change.
Oke. OT.
The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
Duduk di sini. Gorengan. Makan apa? Gorengan.
Way back a year ago.